Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I will show you how to update your Zoom desktop client. So first you need to open your Zoom application or software and sign into it because it will always require you to sign to your Zoom account before it takes you to the homepage. And if you do not have an account, you will need just to sign up with a new one. You can sign up with a Google account, or you can also sign up with Facebook or other associated accounts, and then you will be able to sign in. Or you can also sign up with an email and add manually your personal informations like the name, password, first name, last name, username, etc., etc. After you sign into uh, your Zoom account, you will find yourself in the home page here. Now we need to go to our settings or our profile settings. So we are going to click on our avatar and we will find this navigation tab, or you can just click on the settings here like this. And after that, we will find something that is called check for updates. So here now we can be able to update our Zoom application. So uh, we will wait for the update to be downloaded if there is an update. In my case, there is other updates that can be done. So it is now updating automatically the Zoom application. So basically, all you have to do now is to wait for the Zoom update to uh, download the new version and install it automatically. Now that it's been downloaded, we will just click on install and it will restore uh, the Zoom application. So now it is installing the updates. So we are going to wait for the Zoom updater, and basically it has uh, successfully installed our application. So basically this is how you update your Zoom. Thank you for watching and goodbye.